Hello everyone and welcome back. Today Astra 2016 plates. I'm gonna change the halogen lights with LED lights. I bought the LED lights from Amazon. One is fixed already because I wanted to see how it goes. The LED light looks like this, no errors. It's quite a big difference between halogen lights and LED lights. From this yellowish fade light, we're gonna move to this bright Icey light. All you have to do is to open the lid, take the halogen, the normal light out. It's quite a bit tricky, but not impossible. You have like a metal string here, you lift it up, take the bulb out. Ooh, it's quite hot. I have to wait a little bit. Ooh. I forgot to mention that I have gloves coming up with the LED light. Just one hand. Okay. So that's the halogen one. Okie dokie. And we're gonna change with this big boy, the LED one. I'm trying to show you the clamp. Yeah, basically the bulb is gonna go inside, and this clamp here, there's not much space in here to show it to you. You have to lift it up and then put it down when you put the light back. Check before you put it inside and clamp it, because you have plus and minus, of course. It doesn't say anything here, but here on the LED we have plus and minus. So yeah, find out first before you put it in and use the clamp. Okay, plugged in, and go and check if it's the right position. Yeah, that's the right position. Oh yeah, it's going to be a tricky one because you don't have too much space in here, especially after you plug it in, connect it, and then you have to attach the clamp. So yeah, take your time, put it in here. Oh, I forgot to mention that these LED lights have a ventilator. The ventilator, again, it's tricky with the clamp because you don't have too much space. So you have to ensure that both sides of the LED, these ones here, are clamped the sides, yeah, both sides, not just one, yeah. So ensure the clamp is attached this on both sides, not just one, yeah. Okay, all done, all done. Let me show you what I was trying to explain you before. Yeah, so you see over there it's catching on both sides. I cannot show you the other side, but both sides should be clamped by that little metal, yeah. Okay dokie, so now it's installed. Let's switch it on. Okay, the ventilator is spinning, so that means it's on, it's working properly. Okay, now Astra 2016 plate, both lights are installed. Make sure you put all the cables in before you put the lid, and don't forget to attach the lid so you prevent the water from going in. I will take a video over the night and show you how it looks like after this replacement. Make sure you don't throw away the previous lights, the halogen one. Keep them with you all the time. You never know, caught without any lights on the road, especially on nights. It will be much better to show you the difference at night.